This is the High Purity Northwest Thermo-Vac system built for Gemco. It is a NEMA 7 rated system, explosion proof, and I'm going to walk through the flow path of the system. This is the inlet. The inlet and the outlet are both right here. They're both 1-inch male JIC, and this is an automatic ball valve that closes to isolate the system if there is any shutdown situation or any alarm that shuts the system down. This is an inlet bag filter. It just has a mesh bag in it to catch any large particulate that might make it into the system and to protect the components downstream. These are low watt density oil heaters, 16 kilowatts each, and the oil flows through both of these systems in series. We have two thermocouples here. One is for control and the other is for an emergency high temperature shutdown. This is a flow switch that prevents the heaters from activating without proper oil flow. This is all stainless tube. The oil then flows into the vacuum chamber where there are dispersal elements inside, and the oil flows from an inside to out flow pattern through those elements, creating surface area. That's where we are separating moisture from the oil. The oil then settles down into the bottom of the vacuum chamber where it is pulled over through a Y strainer to protect this positive displacement pump. The pump has integral pressure relief, and it pumps the oil out through this stainless steel filter vessel. Heading back this direction, there is a flow indicator here, and the oil flows out of the system. The system also has a bypass three-way valve that allows an operator to adjust some flow to go back towards the inlet of the system to assist with oil flow on a cold startup. Most often this will be in this position where the oil would just be flowing out of the filter vessel or out of the filtration system. On the vacuum side, we have the vacuum pump here, tracing vacuum back through this solenoid valve up through connecting to the condensate tank, up to this condenser, air-cooled condenser, tracing vacuum back to the vacuum chamber here. This is the back of the system. Moving around to the front, we have alarms for high condensate, low oil level, high oil level, phase, electrical phase failure. If it was out of phase, it would let you know that. Condensate drain, dirty filter, high temperature, low flow. We have green indication lights for the oil pump running, the vacuum pump running. We have your start and stop, auto reset for alarms, heat selection of 16 or 32. And then you can actuate the oil pump and the vacuum pump manually or in auto mode. So normal startup, these would both be in auto mode, and the system would manage its own oil level. This is the digital temperature controller. The customer can set the temperature of the oil. It's preset now, and the system will maintain the set point within a few degrees of variance. The High Purity Northwest Thermo-Vac system. Thank you.